dear student. Welcome to Amit Sir Physics classes. And last 2 days I have not uploaded any video due to some technical reasons. Okay. So already we have started with the electric charges and field topic. In that we have covered what is the meaning of charge, okay, and how the body gains the charge. That means what the body which loses the electron becomes positively charged, and the body which gains the electron becomes negatively charged. Okay. And then we have seen the properties of the charges, the basic three properties of the charges, that is charge is quantized, charge is conserved, and the charge is additive property. Okay, so everything we have explained with the example. Now coming to the next content. So basically in nature there are two types of charges. One is positive charge and another is negative charge. Okay, then if there are two kind of charges, then how to make the bodies charged, whether when we say a body is positively charged and when we say a body is negatively charged, but how we can obtain those charged bodies. Okay, so if you want to get the positively charged, then body must lose the electron. If you want the body must be negatively charged, then the body must gain the electron. But how this electron transfer take place? Okay, this is what the big question. Okay, so here for that process we call it as a charging of a body. Okay, the process of electrification, and electrification is nothing but the making the body charged, maybe positively charged or maybe negatively charged. Okay, so in that there are three process. Okay, that means bodies can be made positively charged and then negatively charged by any of the three methods. So there is a first method, charging by friction, second method, charging by contact, and third method is charging by induction. Okay, so this one is very important. You have to understand this thoroughly. But we will see the first one, that is charging by friction. Okay, friction means what? When the friction will occur when the two bodies come in contact with each other. Okay, suppose if I take these two bodies and if I make like such a movement, okay, then we can say there is what friction between these two bodies. Okay, now suppose if you take, okay, have one example. Okay, take any two bodies. Okay, and before there is no charge on this body, then there is no charge on this body, both are neutral. But after rubbing what will happen? One body will acquire the positive charge and definitely another body will acquire the negatively charge. So by transferring the electron, so example, if I take the silk cloth plus glass rod, if I rub these two materials, okay, like this one, if you take this like silk cloth and just rub this glass rod like this, okay, then what will happen? This glass rod will lose the electron. Okay, this glass rod will lose the electron and silk will gain the electron. So automatically, as per the definition, the body which loses the electron becomes what? Positively charged, and the body which gains the electron becomes what? Negatively charged. So this is what the friction method. By doing the friction between the two bodies, you are able to make bodies positively charged and negatively charged. Okay, so here ultimately the silk which gains the electron becomes negatively charged body, and here the glass rod, okay, which lose the electron becomes positively charged body. Okay, so here you can say whenever the two bodies are rubbed with each other, both will acquire the same charge, but one is opposite. Suppose if the silk cloth acquire the -1 coulomb of charge, automatically glass rod will acquire the +1 coulomb of charge. Okay, magnitude wise both are equal but opposite charges. One will acquire the positive and another acquire will be negative. Okay, so this is the charging method. You can make two bodies charged. Okay, next one is simple one, charging by contact. Just you have to make the contact. Okay, that means if there is one body, there are suppose two bodies. Okay, one is positively charged, another is neutral. Okay, suppose this body is neutral and this body is positively charged, and you want to make this uncharged body or neutral body into maybe positively charged or maybe negatively charged. So what you have to do, you have to just make a contact with this body. Automatically this body will also turn into what? the positively charged or maybe negatively charged depending on the what charge on this body. Okay, suppose if I take this example, like this is the positively charged body, okay, and this is uncharged body B. This is charged body and this is uncharged body. Okay, so this is a positively charged, this is what positively charged body, and this is uncharged or neutral, you can say neutral. Okay, so after contact, so this is scenario before contact, one is positively charged, another is neutral. Okay, so after, when you touch these two bodies, automatically the A will also have the positively charged and B will also have the positively charged. Okay, that means they share equal charges. Okay, they share equal charges. It means what? If the A body is positively charged, then automatically after contact B will acquire the same charge but exactly equal. That means suppose this is what the if it is 4 coulomb of charge, okay, and after contact this will acquire the 2 coulomb and this will acquire the 2 coulomb. Okay, same case with the negatively charged. If it is negatively charged body, then A will also negatively charged, B will also negatively charged. Correct. Okay, so this is what the contact. You have to just make contact. Okay, so third is charging by induction. Okay, so charging by induction means induce. Okay, so induction means what? Induce or forcibly. Okay, so here I will take one example. Okay, suppose, okay, I will show you one example. That is, suppose this is a positively charged glass rod. This is what? A glass rod which is made positively charged by rubbing with silk. Correct. Next, now you have to bring an uncharged body which is placed on the insulating stand. Okay, so this is what the uncharged. Okay, so now this is the first step. Correct. Second step is what? Bring these two bodies very close but not contact with each other. Do not touch these two bodies. Okay, so I will take this again, positively charged rod. Okay, and then just bring this but do not make a contact. So what will happen? Due to this positive, all the electrons inside this metallic sphere, it is attracted towards the what? Glass rod, because electron is negatively charged and there is what? Always attraction between the what? Positive and negative charges. Unlike the north pole and south pole attract, same way all the electrons will be attracted towards this side and all the positive will be attracted toward this side. So now you can see initially this body do not have any charge, but now this body acquires the one side becomes negatively charged, another side becomes positively charged. Okay, so next step is what? If you connect this to the ground or earth, if you connect to this what? Ground or the earth, okay, all the electrons from the earth move towards this phase and becomes neutralized. मतलब क्या हो जाता है कि यहाँ से ग्राउंड से इलेक्ट्रॉन इस तरफ जाते हैं और इस फेस पे जितने भी पॉजिटिव है, मतलब ये पॉजिटिव क्यों है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉन कम है, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन कहाँ पे जाते हैं? ज़्यादा से कम. करेक्ट. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ से जाएंगे ऐसे और हर एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज को मर्ज कर देंगे और इस फेस को वो पूरा न्यूट्रल बना देंगे. मतलब ये अगर पॉजिटिवली रॉड है ऐसे ही यहाँ पे, ओके, तो ये आपको कुछ ऐसे दिखेगा क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉन तो यहाँ पे आके ये मर्ज हो चुका है. So there is no positive charge or no negative charge, but only negative charges are present here. Okay, and then insulating stand. Correct. Okay, next step क्या हो जाएगा? इस रॉड को आप निकाल दो. Okay, अगर आपने इस रॉड को निकाल दिया तो ये जो मेटल स्फीयर है वो completely नेगेटिवली चार्ज बन जाएगा. करेक्ट. तो देखा कि मैंने कांटेक्ट भी नहीं किया है. करेक्ट. Without making a contact, without making any friction, how to make a uncharged body into charge? Okay, first bring the positively charged body near to what? Uncharged sphere, इंडक्शन टेक प्लेस, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज इंडक्शन। इंड्यूसमेंट मतलब इंड्यूस क्या हो जाता है, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव सेपरेट हो जाते हैं, करेक्ट। देन वन फेस, ओके, आप किसको कनेक्ट करोगे, अर्थ। सो एक्सेस इलेक्ट्रॉन विल फ्लो फ्रॉम द अर्थ टू बॉडी एंड दिस फेज बिकम्स न्यूट्रलाइज, न्यूट्रल मतलब इक्वल करना है, तो यहाँ पे चार्ज जीरो हो जाता है। सो ओनली वन दिस फेज विल बी लेफ्ट, ओके। तो ये चार्ज को दूर कर दो तो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन इस सरफेस पे इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएंगे, इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएंगे। सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैड मेड अ नेगेटिवली चार्ज बॉडी बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ इंडक्शन। अगर आपको ये पॉजिटिवली बनाना है तो दिस ग्लास रॉड, और यहाँ पे आपको क्या लाना पड़ेगा, नेगेटिवली चार्ज बॉडी, करेक्ट। इफ यू ब्रिंग दिस नेगेटिवली चार्ज, ultimately the final object or the final result will be positively charged. If you bring this positively charged near to this uncharged conductor, ultimately final result will be what, a negatively charged sphere, okay. So this method is what, without any contact. This method is without contact. You have to make a body's charged or uncharged, okay. So by these three methods you have to make the bodies charged or uncharged. So I have simple demonstration for you. Suppose these are what small paper pieces, okay. I will show you, these are what small paper pieces, okay. I'm not sure that it is visible or not, but there are some paper pieces here. You can see here there are some paper pieces, okay. So okay, or let me place it on this, okay, now it is visible, correct. So I will take this comb, okay, and I will rub this with my hair, okay, little bit. And once if you rub this with hair, okay, so what will happen, the first one, charging by friction, because this comb is now friction with what, my hair. And ultimately there are two objects, hair and this comb. So one will lose the electron, one will gain the electron. So ultimately this becomes now charged body, okay. So you can see here the small papers will start attracting, okay. You have to make sure, you can see here the small paper pieces, there is a small movement, okay. So this is not much effective, okay. But if you take this balloon, okay, and rub with your hair, little bit you have to rub with your hair, now you can see the paper pieces will start attracting. You can see here all the paper pieces are attracted, okay. If you rub it little bit more, so this is what the thing, okay. Because when I rub this balloon with my hair, maybe balloon will lose the electron and gain the electron, maybe this is positively charged or negatively charged. So that's why these paper pieces will start attracting, okay. So this is what the small demonstration, okay. So how to make the bodies charged, one is by friction, by contact, and by induction process, correct. So this is the three process. Next is, what is the meaning of earthing, okay. What is meaning of earthing, okay, or earthing, okay. It is the process of transferring the electrons between the body and the earth, between the body and earth. जैसा अभी हमने इस साइड देखा था कि इस सरफेस को हमने अर्थ को कनेक्ट किया था, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ से यहाँ फ्लो हो चुके क्योंकि ये पॉजिटिवली चार्ज है। अगर ये मान लो नेगेटिव होता तो इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ से अर्थ में फ्लो हो जाते, तो इस प्रोसेस को हम क्या बोलते हैं, अर्थिंग, ओके। ट्रांसफर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बिटवीन द व्हाट, अर्थ एंड द body, okay. So here it is written, okay, if the body is negatively charged, okay, the electrons will flow from the body to earth, okay, and if the body is positively charged, the electrons will flow from the earth to body, okay. जैसे मान लो ये पॉजिटिवली चार्ज था तो इलेक्ट्रॉन कहाँ से फ्लो हो चुके, अर्थ टू बॉडी, okay. So this is the earthing, okay. Now we will see what is the meaning of electroscope, okay. सो इलेक्ट्रोस्कोप एक डिवाइस है जो चार्ज को मेजर करता है। जैसे करंट को मेजर करने के लिए एक एमीटर की ज़रूरत होती है, वोल्टेज के लिए मेजर करने के लिए वोल्ट मीटर, मास मेजर करने के लिए केजी आपके पास यूनिट है, वैसे ही मतलब वो वेइंग मशीन आप यूज़ कर सकते हो, है ना, या फिर बॉडी टेम्परेचर मेजर करना है तो थर्मोमीटर यूज़ करते हो। वैसे ही इफ़ यू वांट टू मेजर द चार्ज ऑन द बॉडी, हाउ मच चार्ज प्रेजेंट ऑन दिस बॉडी, वेदर इट इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज और वेदर इज नेगेटिवली चार्ज, it is measured by the what, a device called as electroscope, or sometimes it is also called as what, gold leaf electroscope. It is also called as gold leaf electroscope, gold leaf electroscope. Okay, so gold leaf electroscope, it is the device to measure the charge on the body, to measure the charge on the body or nature of the charge also, nature of charge. ओके, चार्ज ऑन द बॉडी मेजर, ठीक है, लेकिन नेचर ऑफ द चार्ज मतलब कि उस बॉडी पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज है या नेगेटिव चार्ज है, ये भी इससे मेजर किया जा सकता है। सो इलेक्ट्रोस्कोप इज अ डिवाइस टू मेजर द व्हाट, चार्ज ऑन द बॉडी। तो ये इलेक्ट्रोस्कोप सिंपल होता है बहुत, एक ऐसे ट्यूब ग्लास जार होता है, मतलब बॉटल की तरह, और ये रबर कॉर्क से सील होता है, ठीक है, और अंदर हवा वगैरह कुछ नहीं होती, ठीक है, और ये एक मेटालिक रॉड है, ठीक है, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे एक मेटालिक रॉड है, ओके, और उस रॉड के ऊपर एक मेटालिक बॉल भी है, ठीक है, मेटालिक मतलब स्फीयर है ऐसे छोटा सा, और उसके बाद इसके रॉड के एंड पे दो गोल्ड लीफ होते हैं, दो क्या होते हैं, गोल्ड लीफ, ठीक है। तो अभी आपका क्वेश्चन आएगा, ठीक है, तो मैं आपको ही काउंटर क्वेश्चन करता हूँ, ठीक है, इसका मुझे आंसर आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख के दीजिए कि वाई गोल्ड लीफ, वाई गोल्ड लीफ, ओके, क्यों, क्योंकि ये एक्सपेंसिव है। अगर ये बहुत महंगा है तो हम गोल्ड लीफ क्यों यूज़ करते हैं, ठीक है, एल्यूमिनियम लीफ क्यों नहीं यूज़ करते हैं, या फिर कौन से दूसरे मटेरियल से बना हुआ जो एक स्मॉल लीफ, लीफ मतलब पतला टाइप होता है ना, वैसे थिन ऐसे पेपर टाइप ऐसे, ठीक है, उसको हम लीफ बोलते हैं, ठीक है, करेक्ट। तो वाई ओनली गोल्ड, वाई नॉट फ्रॉम द अदर मटेरियल्स, क्योंकि गोल्ड तो बहुत महंगा है ना, करेक्ट। हाँ, तो इसका मुझे आंसर आप कमेंट बॉक्स में ठीक से इसके ऊपर थिंक करिए और उसके बाद मुझे आंसर दीजिए, ठीक है। और ये इसमें ग्लास जार में ये पुट इंसर्ट किया जाता है, ठीक है, और गोल्ड लीफ ये मूवेबल होते हैं, मतलब ऐसे ये गोल्ड लीफ ऐसे होते हैं और ऐसे भी होते हैं, ठीक है, इसके बीच में, ठीक है। तो क्या होता है, तो यहाँ पे आपको दिखाता हूँ मैं कि मेटल स्फीयर है, ठीक है, और ये कनेक्टिंग रॉड है, ठीक है, मेटालिक रॉड, और ये दो गोल्ड लीफ है, ठीक है। तो ये इनिशियली अगर यहाँ पे चार्ज ही नहीं है तो ये गोल्ड लीफ कुछ नहीं होंगे, ये तो ऐसे ही रहेंगे, ये ऐसे ही रहेंगे बिल्कुल, ठीक है। हाँ, जैसे ही यहाँ पे आपने एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज बॉडी लेके आया, एक पॉजिटिवली चार्ज बॉडी करेक्ट, उसको कांटेक्ट कर दिया, तो ये भी पॉजिटिव बन जाएगा। तो ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज इस मेटल के थ्रू यहाँ से फ्लो होके इस लीफ पे भी आ जाएगा, करेक्ट। हाँ, तो ये लीफ भी पॉजिटिवली चार्ज, ये लीफ भी पॉजिटिवली चार्ज, तो ये दोनों पॉजिटिव है, तो ये क्या हो जाएंगे, ऐसे धीरे धीरे क्या हो जाएंगे, ये डाइवर्ट हो जाएंगे ऐसे, करेक्ट। सो जितना ज़्यादा डाइवर्जन उतना इस बॉडी पे चार्ज है। इसका अर्थ क्या हो जाता है, इफ मोर डिग्री ऑफ डाइवर्जेंस, डाइवर्जेंस मतलब ऐसे फैलना, ठीक है, अगर ज़्यादा है तो इस बॉडी पे चार्ज क्या है, ज़्यादा है, करेक्ट। So this is what all about today's lecture. So tell me the answer of this question, why the gold leaf is used in the electroscope, correct. And electroscope is the what, device to measure the charge on the body and nature of the charge. Nature of the charge मतलब whether it is positive and whether it is negatively charged, correct. Okay, so बस आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है, okay. अगर आपको एक वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो कमेंट करिए, शेयर करिए, ओके, एंड सब्सक्राइब करना भूलो मत, ओके, एंड शेयर टू व्हाट मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट सो दे गेट बेनिफिट ऑफ दिस वीडियो लेक्चर, ओके। अगर आपको इस बारे में कुछ भी क्वेश्चंस है, ठीक है, आप कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे लिख सकते हो, इसका मैं आंसर आपको दे दूंगा, ओके। सो स्टे होम एंड स्टे सेफ, ओके, सो बाय।